Hi everyone, welcome back. I am so happy that you are here. Friends, today I am starting making the leaf compost on my terrace using these dry leaves. The leaf compost is a very valuable ingredient for plants during summers, as the compost we get from leaves is known as cold compost, whereas the other composts like vermicompost, cow dung compost, etc. are hot composts. Even the compost made by the wet waste from the kitchen is hot compost as compared to the compost made by these dry leaves. I have a beautiful park in front of my home, so I have got all these leaves from there only. The trees shed a lot of leaves at this time of the year. These leaves contain a lot of neem leaves too. Due to their medicinal properties, the neem leaves will help prevent fungus during the process of composting. Now, an example of the benefits of this leaf compost. All of you know that the trees in the forests are healthy and green. Who gives them fertilizers and pesticides? Nobody goes and does that. Actually, the dry leaves which fall on the ground turn into compost in a period of time and nourishes the trees. We have to fill some leaves and water them. Don't make them soupy wet, but water as much so that they become damp, wet like damp sponge. After each layer, pour some water, press the leaves hard. In this way, they will break down and there will also be space made for some more leaves. Keep on doing this until the basket is filled up. If you don't have a container like this, you can use a plastic bag too, preferably a black one to make leaf compost. The leaves will start breaking down in compost in the next few months. Leaves usually take 6 to 12 months to break down into compost on their own, but they don't contain the nitrogen necessary to spread the composting process. You can shorten that time to a few months if you build and tend your leaf compost properly. I'll keep on shuffling the leaves every 15 to 20 days and will keep them damp by adding water so that the composting process keeps going. I'll keep on updating you every fortnight or at least once a month. But one thing I'm sure about is that my summer vegetables will have the amazing cold compost in the next summers. Being rich in potassium, phosphorus, it's very good for vegetable plants and it's a very good medium for seedlings to grow. One very important thing to keep in mind is that we should not mix any other compost or soil in this, because that way the chemical properties of the leaf compost will change and it will not be purely leaf compost. I am not going to do any holes in this bucket, and for the oxygen part I'll keep on removing its lid once a day for a few hours. My visits to my terrace are quite frequent and so that will serve the purpose. But if it's a difficult thing for you, you should make some holes in the container or the bag in which you are preparing the leaf compost. And one more thing, you can keep it anywhere in the sun or in the shade. It will keep on going. It may take some time to make it, but it will be far better than any chemical fertilizer. The leaf compost nourishes plants, preserves moisture in the soil, helps spread fertilizer and help prevent diseases. Friends, I hope you will also start preparing the leaf compost at home for your kitchen garden so we can share our experiences. That's all for today. Do like and share this video if you found this helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you feel I bring good stuff. So bye friends, see you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves.